everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick kind of Ulta haul. It's been a bit since I've ordered anything from Ulta. I have a lot of kind of like boring products that I bought, but I've got a few new interesting ones that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you are interested, then please keep watching. So this is kind of just like all over the place. I ordered a little bit more than I usually do. I actually kind of got a few gift with purchase things, which I usually don't get. So the first thing I got is something I've wanted to try for a long time. This is a Korean brand that you can get from Ulta. So if you're interested in trying some Korean beauty products, but you don't want to like have to deal with buying internationally or anything, these are some things that you can get from Ulta. This is from the brand Too Cool for School. I know I could have gotten this cheaper from Rose Shop, and I've almost bought it like a million times, but I thought I just might as well pick it up from Ulta while I was placing an order from there. So this is called the Pumpkin Sleeping Mask. This is supposed to be like an enzyme one. I've heard a lot of good things about this. So this one is supposed to be like a peeling mask. So I can't wait to try this. Let me see how big it is. This one is 100 milliliters. So not the like largest for a face mask, but I feel like you probably wouldn't need to use too much of this. Oh my God, I knew I could get this cheaper from Rose Shop than Ulta, but I ended up buying it from Ulta anyway because I was already placing an order. I didn't realize it was that much of a price difference. Okay, so from Ulta, this was $20, but you can get it from Rose Shop for $8.81. So that is a huge difference. Damn it, it's like half the price I could have paid. I will probably be doing a mask of the day on this. I haven't done those in quite a while. I used to love doing those videos, but I kind of like slowed down on buying like face masks and different clay masks and things like that just because I had so many. So I'll have to do a video and let you guys know if this is any good, and if it is, I will totally recommend getting it from Rose Shop. Then they were having like a promotion, like a gift with purchase kind of thing. If you spent like so much from like specific brands, you could get a little product. So I ended up picking up this as well. This is the Egg Mask Cream. It's a single use like little sheet mask thing. I think this was like $6, which is like more than I ever spend on face masks, but I was like, well, if I'm already getting the pumpkin mask, I might as well spend a little bit more and get the little free gift that comes with it. I swear, marketing, that's how they get you. So I got that as well. I think that was like the cheapest thing that they had. And then whenever you spent like, I think it was like $25 or something, then you would get this little sample with it. I didn't realize this was like the super small sample. I thought, I'm probably such a dumbass, but I thought it was like a little bit larger. I should have like checked the size for this one. This is the all-in-one Egg Mellow Cream. So I've had samples of this from Rose Shop that I really liked it, and so this one just makes my skin feel so nice. It says it's like a 5-in-1 product. I'm not sure what 5 products it does. It says firming moisturizer, brightening, anti-wrinkling, all-in-one collagen infused firming moisturizer. I don't know, but I used this before and I really liked it. It smells really good as well, and I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but that is the free gift with purchase. So the next thing I got was from the Ulta Beauty brand. So it is a little set of dual-ended eyeshadows. So it's called the Maniac, and it comes with 3 different colors, and each one has one cream shadow, like a metallic cream shadow, and then like a glitter kind of top coat on the other one. So these are the 3 colors that it came in. It's super pretty. I'll probably do a video dedicated to that as well. Y'all know I have an obsession with glitter eyeshadow, and I think this set for the 3 was like $18, which sounds a little bit expensive, but you are getting 6 different products. So, you know, when you break it down, I feel like it's not that bad. I haven't used these on my eyes yet, but I did swatch them and they are pretty. So I am looking forward to using these. And then I think this was another like free gift with purchase that came with it. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream in the color Bombshell. Kind of the same color I got on, just a little bit darker. I'll see if I want this, or maybe I'll give it away to my mom because I give her all the lip products that are just not my favorite. Next, they had some of these Real Technique beauty sponges on sale for like, I think it was like 13 something for 4 of them. These are my favorite sponges ever, and I use my sponges until they are like dead and dying. So this will probably last me for like the rest of my life. But I decided, you know, since I love these sponges so much and they don't always go on sale, that I might as well pick them up while they were on sale. So that makes them like around like a little bit more than $3 a piece. So definitely cheaper than just buying them one at a time, because those are around like $5 or $6, I would say. So I ended up getting those. So next is a repurchase. This is my favorite lip liner. This is from NYX. This one is in the color 810 Natural. It's just so good. I think this was like $3 or something. Here's the one I have now. So like all of this is capped. That is how much of my favorite lip liner I have left. So it's almost to the point where I can't can't even sharpen it anymore, and it's just one of my favorites. And then I wanted to try these. These are from NYX. These have been out for a while. These are called the Vivid Brights Cream Bases. So I got two different colors. I got this like really pretty purple lavendery one. I don't know if it has a color name. This one's called Sugar Rush, and then the other one I got is kind of like this minty blue kind of color. This one is called Endless Skies. So I thought that those were really pretty and I wanted to pick those up as well. And then since I spent so much from NYX, I got this as a free gift with purchase. This is the NYX Professional Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. They had the option where you could get dewy or matte, so I was really like glad that they let you choose. So I went for the dewy one because I like more of like a dewy kind of a finishing spray. So I've never tried this, so that was cool and got that for free. And then I also repurchased a concealer I really liked. This one is from Makeup Revolution. It's called the Conceal and Divine. I got the same color that I got before, which was C1. I really liked this one. I'm not going to open or use this until I finish up my other concealer that I've had for quite a while now. I went back to it since I ran out of this one. This one is the Etude House Big Cover Concealer BB, which I also really like. I forgot how much I liked this, but I'm not going to use my new one until I use this one up. So it might be a while before I use that one. And then this I wanted to try out. This is from Makeup Revolution as well. This is their luxury baking powder in the color Lace. They had a whole bunch of different colors. They had one that's like a straight up white. I think it's called Ghost. This one is like, I think the next lightest one called Lace. They had another one, I think it was like a banana powder one. Even though I've already got like my favorite powder ever, I still wanted to try something different. So I'll have to see if this is any good. And I mean, if this is good, that would last me my entire life. So I would never need setting powder again. I'll have to see if this is any good or if I just stick with my e.l.f. one. And again, another gift with purchase that I got. This came with my Makeup Revolution thing. This was actually like a really big like gift with purchase. It's this Strobe Light 3 Strobe Highlighter Palette. I was actually kind of surprised they were giving us away. Let me see what it looks like. So you get 3 really large highlighters on it. Let me see what they're like. This one's kind of like a duochrome, like a green blue one. This one's kind of like a goldy one. I see why they gave these away now. And then this one's kind of like a pinky one. So I don't know if you can see my fingers, like you can really see that like green one. That one's actually really pretty, but I'm not a huge fan of like duochrome highlighters. That green one would be a really pretty like eyeshadow. Like you can see that one. It's kind of like almost looks like a ghosty green kind of color. I don't think I'd like that as a highlighter, but I will try those on my face and kind of see why they got rid of those though. I swear I never get like gift with purchase things. I guess I just bought like the right stuff this time. And then the last things I got were like the little sample things. So I got like a sample of the Sauvage Dior cologne sample. Then I got the Deep Dive Glycolic Facial Cleanser from Jack Black. So that's a little sample. And then I got a mascara. This is the Clinique High Impact Mascara mini sample. So I'm just gonna keep that in my collection, and whenever I need mascara, I'll use that one. So those are all the things that I got from Ulta. I feel like now I really wish I would have just bought this from Rosa's shop. I could have saved like $12. What was I thinking? Yeah, so that's it. Some boring products, some like repeat things, but a couple things that I could probably make review videos on. So if you guys are interested in that, then please let me know. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.